This video answers the query how to buy shares of Rivian Automotive and shows the basic steps. Rivian Automotive is an electric vehicle maker listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RIVN. This walkthrough is educational and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy stocks, and we'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you will typically verify your account with a valid ID and proof of address, then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker RIVN to find Rivian Automotive. Double-check the listing to ensure you've located the correct company and symbol on NASDAQ. Open the Rivian stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm that the company description and the RIVN ticker match before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter how much you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading opens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, the Rivian position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to the example platform if you want to follow along.